Minnesota's governor says it'll take big-time reinforcements to secure the trial of former Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin. Chauvin is charged with murder in George Floyd's death.
Governor Tim Walz is now planning to send in 600 state troopers, DNR officers, and other state law enforcers in March. He's seeking at least $4.2 million for it in his budget. And that includes more than $2 million for state trooper overtime, lodging, and other expenses, nearly $1.5 million for DNR officers, and $385,000 for alcohol and gambling enforcement officers. On top of that, the governor also wants to create a $35 million special fund that could be used in part to pay back cities that send mutual aid into Minneapolis.
Meantime, some of the law enforcement expected to handle the George Floyd trial security are wondering when they'll get the COVID vaccine.
And Paul Bloom joining us live. And so, Paul, some really worry here that time is starting to run out.
Kelsey and Amy, of course, that trial now less than 6 weeks away. And with COVID-19 vaccines still in limited supply here in Minnesota, advocates and supporters of law enforcement are demanding that the state and local jurisdictions push frontline personnel to the front of the line.
I'm extremely worried. What we saw over the summer could potentially come back.
The executive director of the Minnesota Police and Peace Officers Association, the state's largest group representing law enforcement, losing sleep over what might unfold around Derek Chauvin's March murder trial and the death of George Floyd. And one of his top concerns, making sure those wearing the badge, tasked with public safety duties, are healthy and protected, and that means getting vaccinated against COVID-19.
It's getting crunch time, Paul. For the vaccine to be effective, we need 2 rounds of it, so time is of the essence.
A Minneapolis police spokesman tells Fox 9 MPD's frontline officers are slated to get first doses of the vaccine in the next week or 2. State troopers have started rolling up their sleeves already, but the Hennepin County Sheriff's Office lagging behind, and some, including Peters, believe it's because of a small loophole contained within vaccination priorities from the Department of Health. That puts emergency medical service personnel and first responders who, quote, provide direct patient care at the front of the line. But many in the sheriff's office don't carry Minnesota's EMS certification.
Let me put it in perspective. This is a piece of paper. Hennepin County, specifically deputies, are trained medically. They respond to medicals, and so they should receive the vaccination.
And as Governor Walz budgets more than $4 million for trial security and related costs, the state's police chiefs and sheriffs putting the vaccine issue front and center in this recent letter to the Walz administration, quote, we believe it's imperative that MDH allows immediate access to available vaccinations. If not, the health and safety of officers, deputies, and the public is at risk. And 2 other important notes here. We did get a statement from Hennepin County late this afternoon, again reiterating the lack of supply in Hennepin County when it comes to COVID-19 vaccine, but they have attained enough to begin immunizing deputies this week. In terms of security and safety protocols at the Hennepin County Government Center, it is expected that other trials and court proceedings this spring will be delayed while the Chauvin trial is conducted on the 18th floor of the Government Center.